This is the Vivo X200 Pro Mini, guys. Video 4K 60 FPS, and I'm starting off with the main camera here. One good thing is that I can apparently cycle through ultra wide, main camera 1x, 2x, and now we can engage with the 3x, that is the optical camera. I can also go and do 10x, and the maximum range here is 15x. Now let's just do 1x again. Alright, let me start running test stabilization. Alright, let's do a zoom lens cycle test. Very smooth. From the ultra wide to 15x. Now 4K 60 FPS, I'm not able to turn back on the front camera. That's not a problem at all. Another stabilization test. Alright. This is 4K 60 on the front camera. Let's test stabilization. Alright. And again 4K 60 FPS on the back camera. Let's go and see the autofocus here. Okay, and now let's do a low light test. I'm going from outside to inside. Alright, let's try to zoom. 3x. Okay, 10x. Woo! Optical image stabilization everywhere, the ultra wide. Okay, and now I am inside. Let's start running test stabilization. Okay, now ultra wide 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x, and 15x is the maximum. Let's do a zoom lens cycle test. This is smooth, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And this is the front camera, 4K 60 FPS. Let me start running. Nice. Now let's do a test inside. You know how I call it, the tiles test. Let me start running the stabilization. This is 1x, ultra wide, 2x, 3x, 10x. And now let's go and do 15x. Alright, lens switch. This looks so smooth, I have to tell you. Scenarios with artificial lightnings are usually very tough. Sometimes it's even worse than only low light, because we have light everywhere. But from what I see right now on the viewfinder, the Vivo X200 Pro Mini really nails it. And this is the front camera. Okay, exposure control, everything seems to really be okay. Let me know, guys, what you think down below in the comments, and go and watch some of the previous videos. Bye.